How to be popular. 1. Be confident. Nobody's perfect. Therefore, you don't have to be perfect to be popular. Even if you feel that you're far from ideal, the first step to gaining confidence is to believe in yourself. Don't hide in the corner. Get up and bask in the spotlight, if the moment is right. Fake it until you make it. Even if you don't feel confident, just acting confident is the first step to making you feel good. Confidence has a lot to do with body language. Walk with your head high and your arms at your sides instead of crossed over your chest. Don't hunch. 2. Put yourself out there. This usually means to be willing to step out of your comfort zone. If you're not popular, it's because you're not comfortable doing the things that popular people tend to do, such as making conversation, cracking jokes, flirting, and in general, engaging people. Remember that popular kids are popular only because they are known by, and get the attention from, others. Remember, if it isn't yet working out, don't wait for someone to come talk to you, you might as well talk to others you never did before. 3. Find your own style. To get noticed, you don't have to dye your hair pink or get a tattoo on your face. What you should do, however, is find your own look and style and let people see that you're comfortable being yourself. If you're hiding behind a pair of gray sweatpants, you won't get noticed, at least, not in a good way. So, find a look makes you comfortable, whether you look preppy, hipster chic, or grungy, and own it. Whatever you wear, have confidence in it. Don't check yourself out in the mirror or ask everyone in your path if you look okay, or people will know that you doubt yourself. 4. Take risks. To be popular, you're going to need to take a few chances on a social level that may normally feel uncomfortable to you. So be prepared to be bold. Take risks by introducing yourself to someone you haven't met, going to a party you were invited to, even if you don't know many other guests, or by making statements that make you stand out in a crowd. If you get used to taking risks, without putting yourself in danger, of course, you will definitely get noticed more. 5. Don't act like you don't care. Yeah, if you go around acting like you're too cool for school, people may notice you, but it won't be in a good way. Though you may not want to be the teacher's pet and answer every question right, participating in class and making an effort will get you more positive attention than shrugging or being rude if the teacher asks you a question. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.